everyone, it's Melissa Joyce here. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to check your students' progress in the eJournals. So what I am going to do is I'm going to log in as myself. When you log in, your math books should pop up. You're going to click on your teacher edition. Okay. Then you're going to go up here to the menu bar and you're going to scroll down to eBooks. So you're going to find the ebook that is your eJournal. So mine is on the second page. You're going to open that up. And here's your eJournal. Now to bring up your students, you're going to click on the little student icon up here. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one. And you're going to see your classes pop up. So you're going to choose which class you want to view. So I'm going to click on My Homeroom. And now it's going to bring up all of your students. So let's say that I wanted to go and check their work for lesson 1.4. We'll just pretend. Okay, I'm going to click on a student. And then I'm going to get to that page. Now for some reason, I will let you know that typing in the page number doesn't work for me. It may work for you if you want to try it. Okay, so as you could see, I switched over to use the eJournal with my class at lesson 1.5. Prior to that, we were using a different method. But as you could see, I can now see all of Flynn's work for 1.5. What's really cool about this is you don't have to go back and forth between all the screens like we normally did. We can see all of their answers on one page. And then if I wanted to see his math boxes, I can just change the page and it's right here. Now, what's also awesome about this is if I wanted to check his work, I could. Okay, so he could actually go in and see what is correct, what's not correct. And I can give him a little post-it note. So right page. So let's say I noticed he was rounding incorrectly. So I could say, remember that the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 round up. And 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 stay the same. So if that's just something I wanted to add, I could post it. And then when they check, you can just tell them if they have a post-it note, they can click on that and they can read the note that you wrote to them. Okay, so moving to the next student is even easier. Okay, because I can go ahead and click on anyone I want. And it's going to stay on the same page, so you don't have to toggle back and forth. So I want to see Kawan's. Here it is. I want to see Jayana's. Okay, she didn't do it. Cece's. Here it is. It just makes it a lot easier to check their work. Okay, so when you are teaching your students, okay, if I go back, they can get into the eJournal like this. So if they go to their lesson, they click their ebooks. It's right here in the middle. Just make sure that they're clicking on the right one because there's 2 journals and Unit 1 is in Volume 1. So they're going to click on that. Okay, then they can go to the table of contents. They should know they're in Unit 1. And whatever the lesson is for the day, it'll bring it right up for them. So to me, this is really a lot easier because it shows everything on one screen. All right. I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. See you guys later.